Metabo HPT, nail gun, troubleshooting, quick fixes. Nail guns are essential tools for efficient construction work. Like any tool, they can face issues. Quick fixes can help you get back to work fast. This guide covers simple solutions for common nail gun problems. Clearing jams. A jammed nail gun can halt your work. First, disconnect the air hose or battery. These indicate leaks. Inspect hoses and connections for damage. Apply Teflon tape to seal minor leaks. Replace damaged parts for serious leaks. Proper sealing ensures consistent pressure and operation. This ensures safety. Check the magazine for stuck nails. Remove any obstructions gently. Use needle nose pliers if needed. Once cleared, reload the nails. Test the gun to confirm it's working properly. Sealing air leaks. Air leaks can affect nail gun performance. Listen for hissing sounds. Consult the user manual for exact settings. Ensure depth adjustment matches your project needs. Test on scrap material first. This prevents damage to your work surface. Adjusting settings. Incorrect settings can lead to Check the air pressure gauge. Adjust to the recommended size.